One of the many ways you can customize your Dynamics 365 Business Central role is by using bookmarks. Bookmarks allow you to place certain pages in Business Central in the home list of your Role Center functions. This allows you to not only create shortcuts to your most used pages, but also craft custom functionalities based on specific roles. You can create a bookmark for nearly any page in Business Central. Simply open a page that is not already bookmarked. For this tutorial, we'll use the Fixed Assets page, and select the Bookmark button located on the far right side of the action bar. If this button is filled in, it means the page is already bookmarked. To access your bookmark pages, open your Role Center menu from the navigation bar on your home screen. From here, you will be able to see your newly bookmarked page in your Role Center home list. To remove a bookmark, simply return to the already bookmarked page and unselect the bookmark button on the far right of the action bar. You will see a window pop up to confirm that the page has been removed from your Role Center bookmarks. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to add, remove, and find bookmarks in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have questions, you can enter them in the comments below or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.